Hi everybody here. Today I will do my first video. I hope you like it. So my name is Saud and I'm from the Middle East. My main language is Arabic, but as you see I can speak English well. So I will do for you a YouTube videos about many things like Apple accessories, Mac tips, iPhone stuff and many other things. And I will let you know of my activities. I'm doing a YouTube videos because I want to meet a new friends. Because I like to do a YouTube videos, and I like to meet new people in the internet and in the real world. So I hope you like it. I will start with my first unboxing video and a quick review on the Apple wireless keyboard. So as you see here, this is the picture of the Apple wireless keyboard, and here is the wireless keyboard. I don't want to go on the box and many things. Just if we open the box, we have the Apple wireless keyboard. You have here to remove it like this. It is amazing keyboard. It's a sleek, nice, handy. With the keyboard comes the Apple limited warranty, as you see. Apple limited warranty Apple accessories and the battery. I will just take out the batteries and let them here to use them later, but I will start with getting out the wireless keyboard. We have the first section here, and I just pull it like this. Okay, sorry, I want to close just the box. You see, the Apple wireless keyboard is the smallest keyboard I just see, the smallest wireless keyboard I saw in my life. It is nice style, sleek buttons, and has a sleek design. As you see, sleek design, nice, come in a white color with a silver here. Here we have the turn on, turn off button, and here we have the battery slot. So one moment please, I will pick only my, sorry for that. I get out my keychain so we can open the battery place just by turning it like this. This is the battery remover. It is nice aluminium, I think so, and it is quite heavy. I will insert the three Energizer battery like this by the opposite side, as they say here. I hope you can see it here. This is a 3 batteries. So the first one, second one, the third one. So now I entered my 3 batteries. I will enter my aluminium stuff and I will close it with the keychain. With the batteries, it will have the weight that I like, and maybe you can like, so you can type like this. It is far from the, you can use it as you with a distance with 100 meter far of the computer, and you can type. You just easily turn it on from here, and you will see a green light comes here. You have it as a sleek, nice, amazing, and to turn it off you just hold and press this one. You see the green light is coming and it disappeared. Now it is turned off. I hope you enjoy it. This was a quick unboxing, and this was a quick unboxing and review on the Apple wireless keyboard. I wish that you like it. Thank you everybody.